Wasting money on clicks from areas you don't serve? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to exclude unwanted locations in Google Ads so you can focus your budget on the areas that matter. Hi, this is Karthik. Welcome back to our channel where I share tips and tricks to level up your Google Ad campaigns. Today we are diving into location exclusions, a critical tool for improving your campaign's performance while avoiding irrelevant clicks from non-targeted locations. So let's get started. Location exclusions let your ad prevent from showing in specific geographic areas. Whether you are a local business targeting only your city or a global brand avoiding low performing regions, these features help you maximizing ROI. Incorrect advanced location options. A scenario where a luxury car rental services in Dubai sets the locations to target Dubai but uses the default advanced location option people interested in your target location instead of people in or regular in your target location. The problem, their ads are shown to people searching for a rent a car in Dubai from US or India and other countries, resulting in irrelevant inquiries from users who won't travel to Dubai anytime soon. Location exclusion is a critical aspect of running successful performance max campaigns in Google Ads. PMax campaigns use advanced machine learning to maximize performance, often expanding your targeting automatically to find users who may convert. However, this automated behavior can lead to your ad showing in unwanted locations. What does that result? This issue is specifically prominent in PMax campaigns because Google's algorithm may expand targeting to users who show interest in your locations even they are not physically present in there. If location exclusions are not properly configured, you might face challenges like receiving junk leads, inquiries from non-targeted locations, or traffic from non-deliverable regions. Let's dive into the screen on how exactly you can exclude locations.
So I am on my screen and I'll show you today how you can exclude unwanted locations, because as previously mentioned, if you are using the PMax campaign, you can a possible chances that Google algorithm can show our ads outside our target locations if we are using the PMax campaign, because that expand the audience list targeting. That is why it is important to exclude the non-targeted locations to make sure we are not showing our ads on those areas. So that you need to select the campaigns first, click on the campaigns to select that, and then under the campaign sections you can find the option locations. Click on location sections. On the first side you can find the targeted locations which you have targeted. You can find those targeted locations in the map also, and for the excluded locations you can find another options right after the locations, that is location exclusions. If you click on that you can find all the excluded locations within these campaigns, and you can review the excluded locations in the red area in the map and the targeted locations here. So click on the edit to exclude more locations, and to exclude you need to search for those location, and you can add the bulk locations also. For example, if you have multiple zip codes you can add them into a bulk and exclude all in one go. Then hit the save button. Once you hit the save button you can see in the graph in the map those excluded locations, and that is how you can exclude the locations.
I hope the information shared above was helpful. If you need any help with Google Ad campaigns, you can reach out to us through our WhatsApp number flashing on the screen. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.